Okay.
Genius, bro.
Sure you are. Sure you are.
I am. Don't you ever say otherwise, bitch.
Okay then. Damn. Asshole. Alright, well, hello everybody that's probably not gonna watch this video. I hate this already. Well, we're playing Sons of the Forest, as you can fucking tell. I might start a series, I might not. Depends how well this does. But, give it a shot. And I'm starting in a war we already have.
Do something.
Oh yeah, I got the shit out yesterday. Oh no, I didn't because you didn't save it, did you?
Yeah, because nope.
Alright, well, you're doing that shit now, you can get your own fucking wood.
I'm building the base.
If you get that shit and bring it over, if you get that good sledge and bring them over here like I fucking did, I'll get your wood all day long. I don't care. But I'm not doing that shit again. Fuck you.
How hard is it? How hard
It took a fucking minute. Well, I couldn't go anywhere else. I had to go all across the fucking place. Or fucking try to push them from there all the way over here. Fuck that. Did it once. Not having it again. That was fucking aggravating. Like, fuck that. Plus, I'm sleep deprived.
Where did I take this from?
What?
Huh?
What?
It's a little half log, bro. I don't even know where I felt C and then somehow that got picked up. I wasn't even looking at it. I don't even know how that happened, bro, but like, sure, okay.
Bro, was special. Oh, that's going in the water. That's going in the fucking water. Well. Oof-y. Yeah, there's something in the water. There's some turds floating in the water.
There's some what?
Turds floating in the water. Logs.
What do you mean? Oh, I was like, huh? Can you pick those where?
Huh?
Where?
Over here on the side. Like where I am. I'm gonna cut down a couple of trees, but I'm
Oh, I
not.
found where I picked it up. There's no way I picked it up from that, bro. That's the opposite direction I was looking.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, fuck. I gotta pull a wacky and look them all this way. So entertaining for my like 20 viewers. Fuck it, these are gonna stay in the water. I'm not doing all that shit. Holy fuck. I can get this one.
Oh, need
Well, do that. So yeah, our goal is to build that. We see the little base. It's on a little island. We're gonna try to get that shit. What was the game plan for that again? How the fuck you wanna do all that?
you don't have to worry about a thing.
I'm only saying, I ain't try to get all that base done. Okay. You try to get like
I don't even know how I'm gonna fully do it, but I'm just gonna do it.
Sounds about right.
I'm winging this as I go, bro. I have no clue what I'm doing here. I'm gonna be honest.
Ah, so it might be a fuck up thing.
Nah, it's gonna be perfect, bro. Fuck you talking about.
Ah, I got you. I wonder if I can hear my PC running in the background. Holy sensitivity. I gotta make some arrows too, for my bow. Whee! Spaz attack. Oh yeah, I got those arrows. I want to save those arrows. I don't want to use these arrows. So I'm gonna...
See, the thing that's gonna suck is because after I'm done with this, then I'm gonna have to. Because then I'm gonna have to start working on how I want to make the bridge. bridge over to here,
Yeah,
which can just be flooded with traps.
that'd be a good idea.
Okay, that's pretty- yeah, it's gonna be flooded with traps that we can't activate, and only the cannibals can.
Yeah. Oh, hey, at least if you, since you reset it, I know that I have meat in my inventory that I can make it where it doesn't spoil. So at least you did that. Do something somewhat useful.
This is,
Oh, yay, we don't have to go all the way to the fucking creek now to get water.
yeah.
This is not frozen no more. Ooh, did you rebuild a fucking thing over there, or is it still not built?
Of the what?
The, like a furnace thing.
What furnace thing?
To boil your water in. Campfire, but bigger.
Oh, that, yeah, no, that's not here yet. I haven't rebuilt that at all since I've...
Oh, well, do you mind, like, just throw it in a spot real quick, like by the bed or something?
Here. Ignore all that.
Yeah,
Dude, I can't, yo, it's so bright I can't even see the book because of the sun, bro.
Really?
Yeah, I could not see the book at all.
It is damn sure hunting season, bro. Like, I see so many ducks, bro. Can I kill that bird? No, I guess I won't know. Ooh, I don't want to use that arrow.
It's right here.
Fuck.
Alright, just get 42 stones and you can make it.
Well, that fucking sucks. Fuck. Damn it, I keep clicking the wrong that button. I keep equipping it in my hands. I'm gonna get a shit ton of arrows. Throw a fucking pebble at your ass.
Huh?
I threw a pebble at your ass. I thought I put my dice suit on accident. Oops. There we go. So yeah, I guess get a shit ton of stones now.
42.
Yeah, I guess. Ah, where were they? Like, where are the stones that were in it?
All over.
Yeah.
All around here you can find them.
Okay. Wait. Any stones? Rocks. I need stones. Wait a minute. Yeah, I don't have any. Where's all this? know how much I need left now. 36. Okay, yeah. There's like 7 here. Not gonna lie. So, fuck. Yeah, I spent so fucking long yesterday pushing the other day pushing all of these fuckers out.
Well, you get to do it again.
Fuck no. I'll
Fun.
fucking build a new one.
Yeah, you are.
I will fucking build a new one. Fuck you.
Alright, no, because that's just a waste of reason. It can't be that hard to push these things, bro.
Get up, get up. Alright, so I can't get any fucking go-karts.
What?
I can't get any golf carts.
You can't get in them?
No, I'm not. Copyright music.
Turn it off.
I thought I
Just turn
turned.
off the radio.
Well, I think I could. Wish I could do it in my settings, but I cannot.
Dumbass.
What? How do I say I wish I can do it in my settings, but I can't, and you call me dumbass? How does that make sense? Fuck, wrong button. Well, I'm gonna go hunting.
No, you're gonna collect wood.
Yet again. Fuck you.
Yet again, mine the wood over here, bro. I already have this thing over here for you.
Hang on, I'm
I
fighting
already
up.
have one over here for you.
Alright, well let me store some shit and I'm fighting the dude real quick, hang on. Order
Like, it
rotate.
literally took me like 2 minutes to get this thing over here. I don't know what you're complaining about. Dude, I unironically haven't been on this side of the land in so long. It's not even funny. I just chop a lot of trees down, take them over there, and spend like 20 minutes over there figuring out how I want to do the base.
I actually destroyed a fucking cannibal.
They're not that hard to murder. Dude, they have so much creepy armor on now, bro.
I guess because they're upgrading because we're upgrading now.
They are, yes.
I don't want to say how many times I missed.
Loser.
What do I need for more freaking...
It's good now.
Fuck. I need more pebbles. I need a lot of pebbles. Holy shit.
What?
Arrows.
I have some for you.
Alright, oh wait, there's like shit ton in base. I'm gonna take out. Also, I'm gonna try to store some
I actually
shit.
just started like removing pebbles from my inventory because they were pissing me off from just constantly collecting them and being in the way.
Yeah. Right now I'm just storing a whole bunch of shit.
Thank God.
So get all these to make more. Let's grab all these in here. 5 extra, yeah.
Yo, I low-key got stuck in my own build for a second.
Imagine, bro.
Yo, this place is like a maze, dude. Like, when you get into the parts that aren't fully done yet, it's like a maze. I'm not even lying, dude. How? Sometimes I try to grab something and it just doesn't even come close to grabbing what I wanted to grab. And it's genuinely confusing. Like, I'm not, like... Me too.
There's anything else on the depot?
Big battle.
Got a lot of ammo. Got sticky bombs.
I like that. Like, it also aggravates me so much when I have to disassemble a bunch of the parts just to be able to get to one spot that didn't let me get there anymore because of how the game works.
Yeah.
Because, like, if it's not properly supported, it won't let you take it off, so then I have to remove, like, 20 logs just to be able to have it properly supported.
Yeah, just remove that
Or to
one
be
to
able-
put all of it back, and yeah.
Yeah, and it's so annoying. I've had to do that so many times. Because realistically, there's, like, pretty much no point in me doing all that apart from me needing to fix one log, and I have to remove, like, 20 just to fix that one log.
Yeah. I'll have more creepy armor.
Okay, yo, I need 8 stones over here. From me.
Like, yeah, duh. Come over here with this fucking thing. All these I collected, I'll put on that thing. We can swim it over there. A little raft thing.
Just put it on the massive boat.
That's what I'm saying. I do that if you want to freaking.
I mean, yeah, I'll help you bring it over here.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll need more logs, so either way, I'll have to help you bring that over here.
Yeah. I'll put my arrows in here because I don't want the arrows in my thing. Yeah. I guess they're just missing where they're storing my arrows. Fuck. Fuck, I made it quick again.
Perfect fit. Alright, nice. Why are man. Alright, good. And here I need to make. Oh my god!
What?
I have to remove like so much just to break one thing down, one little spot.
You wanted this base, you wanted to build a fucking fortress.
I don't necessarily care about doing it, but it's so annoying when I need to do this.
Okay, so there's no place to store these at first, I thought.
Oh my god, will I even be,
Well, I did fix Kelvin earlier. Well, yesterday.
what was wrong with Belden?
He's stuck in the water, you said.
Oh,
Yeah, he told me he was stuck in the water, and I
Oh,
got him to...
his mental issues.
Anyway, how dare you talk to Kevin like that? But anyway, yeah,
Well, he does he not? You can't tell me that he doesn't have mental issues.
he does not.
He does.
He's not a former wacky.
He is.
Yeah, bro basically left us. Bro abandoned us. He come back when all the work is done.
Bro, he wasn't gonna help build the base anyways, bro. Are you crazy?
Well, he probably would have.
Dude, no, he would have helped a little bit, but he would have hated every second of it.
Not necessarily.
He would have hated every second of it.
I don't think so.
No, because I'd be forcing him to mine trees.
Like you're trying to force me.
Yes. Like I'd tell him to just go mine trees, and he wouldn't want to do that.
Mm.
Either that, or I tell him to do just the same thing over and over again, just to help me to not have to do that, because I don't wanna.
Yeah.
Why can't I pick any of these up? Is it because of that you're racist?
No, I'm not.
Shut up. No one was talking to you. Oh, it's because of that, yeah. That's stupid. Well, I had to remove an entire staircase just to get to one thing. And now
Damn.
I have to place the entire staircase back.
Sounds like a problem. You wanna come over here and sleep? Well, actually, no, you don't have to. You have a bed, do you not?
Yeah. I have an actual bed. I'm not a peasant.
I wonder if that gives you more sleep. Like, more, like, sleep shit.
You'd be surprised.
You said you would be surprised, or you wouldn't?
I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah.
Because it's a bed and not a tent.
Yeah.
Not a peasant little tent like you over there.
It's funny because I'm over here too, bitch.
Yeah, now you are, because you know how good I have it over here.
Okay. And this thing that you can't fucking get shit to, fucking more shit broke on the sides.
Nor how the bed isn't completely covered in logs.
Yeah, that you can actually even sleep in yet. 'Cause all the fucking logs. Can I hurt you?
No, but you can still hit me with those logs.
Hey, we ain't gotta wait for wacky. Holy shit, it does! A good bit too. I'm half.
Yeah, now I'm starving.
Oh, I am too, Loki.
No.
I'm lucky I am too. I'm just gonna eat a freaking power bar right now. Wait, you said you're thirsty? Or you said you're hungry and thirsty?
I'm starving and dehydrated, bro.
Here, I have some purified water if you want to drink some real quick.
Oh, I do too.
Oh, okay. Is that all raw meat? All rotten meat?
Well, yes.
I'm trying to get mine cooked. I want to make a fire real quick. 'Cause I want mine cooked before it goes bad. Lou trying to steal our shit.
What?
I think she was eating a human leg. Or a cannibal's leg.
Huh?
The fucking four-legged or the three-legged girl.
Yo.
I'm pretty sure she was eating a cannibal's leg. Because I walked over to where she was at. And this is a fucking... Either it was just coincidence or she was eating a cannibal's leg.
I think he eats cannibal eggs, bro. To be honest. Dude, I'm ending up like removing half of the progress I made on this base at this point just to be able to get to one spot, bro.
Damn.
Like, it's actually ridiculous. I still, oh, I can do this now. All that looks wrong.
What does?
This now? What were you can see, bro? It just looks stupid as hell. What the hell is that sound?
That is a animal, deer. That's one of the deers.
See, I knew that, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how would you not know something as easy as that? You think can move.
I love it come in nincompoop when you're the one that didn't know.
I literally knew it. What are you talking about? You can't gaslight me.
So, why don't you ask what? I have it on recording, so why don't you ask what?
You don't have nothing on recording, bro. Lying piece of shit.
Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I have everything on recording now. So when y'all say I didn't say that or some shit, I can okay, let's prove it. Yeah, but what I can't blame.
I'll say copyrighted music right now. Don't test me.
I'll mute you.
That's just the fact that I'm seeing copyrighted music for even that second.
Oh, well, I can edit that bit out. At least
Can you though?
I probably can't. I cannot figure out to edit yet. I'm still working. I mean, I can somewhat edit. I can add shit and stuff like that. I can do an overlay of just cutting it out. Like I figured out that so far. There's a lot of stones. Alright, well I got both things full of stones. Yeah. My pot's done.
Why can't I make this corner, bro? It's racist.
So more.
I can't do it like that either.
Yeah, I don't know like what this bone trap's actually even good use for, to be honest.
What?
The bone trap. Yeah, it says bones.
Put it in a horrible spot, so no duh.
I don't know what it's supposed to do. Like,
They walk over it and it traps them, bro.
I guess it hits them in the head with a glass bottle.
I don't know. Is that what's at the top?
No, when it activates, it freaking shoots a freaking like a 3-prong fucking spike. But I don't know what the fucking vodka bottle's used for. Who called me? Shit.
This stuff's there, bro.
Alright, well I gotta go clean the yard sometime today. Like, this is what this is what the motherfucker says. Need to get the yard cleaned so it can be cut. It can be mowed, right? Well, okay. Well, it just rained last night, so I'll make sure. You want it mowed today. Put cleaning the yard up first. Doesn't answer my question. I'm aware.
Yeah.
Like, just tell me if you want it mowed today or not. I text him, okay, let me be even clearer. Do you want me to mow it today after I clean the yard up or not? This motherfucker said something different. Like, oh my god, this motherfucker says, maybe today, but it has to be picked, the yard has to be picked up first. No shit! Maybe the first time you said, okay, yeah, the yard has to be picked up first, be put first. Maybe that gives me a clear fucking idea.
Myself.
You need help?
Alright. No.
Oh, I'm strong now. I can hold 4 stones now.
You could always hold 4 stones.
I think it's always 3. Then you can like, I'm pretty sure it's
No,
always 3.
It was 4.
Oh.
Because, like, there's one little corner in here that it's, like, just barely slivered into the stone, and I can't place stuff there, and it's ruining and literally everything, bro.
Damn. I'm gonna get this finished, and I guess I'm going to go pick up the yard. Well, this is somewhat of a video. Somewhat. On me just kind of exploring and shit like that. Kind of probably gonna see how good this does. I need a couple more stones. Well, get up. Okay, there we go. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I got all 3. There's, was it 3 or 4? There's 3. The 3 piles of stones or whatever you can fill up. I got all 3 of them filled up. So, should be plenty of stones for a while. We're running out of sticks, bro. I think we have like 1 tray left.
There's a lot of sticks in there, though. In the house,
About 30. Alright, well, I'm gonna save my progress. Please, for the love of God, save the fucking progress. Like, don't let your fucking game crash.
You act like I wanted that to happen, bro.
Alright, well, I'm gonna end the video here. And I'm gonna come back and see how. Probably do some more episodes on it, or just start a new series. Like, just start a series just straight new. Like, not have all this, just do it from scratch. Depends.